I will start with some of the most fundamental properties of X-ray. So X-rays are invisible light and cannot be focused with lens. X-rays travel in straight line at the speed of light, and X-rays are classified as electrically neutral. X-rays also have high energy and high frequency. X-ray can block the photographic film and can also have varying degree of penetration in normal tissue. When passing through the matter, X-ray will produce charged particles by interaction with atoms composing that matter. Lastly, X-ray respond according to inverse square law. As we look at the picture of the electromagnetic spectrum, we can see that X-ray and gamma rays are part of the electromagnetic spectrum. X-ray and gamma rays are the highest energy rays compared to other members of the electromagnetic spectrum, and they are the ionizing rays, which means they are able to remove electrons from the object during interaction. Therefore, X-ray and gamma ray can display property of having varying degree of penetration, so they can penetrate from very superficial skin surface to much deeper depending on their energy. Because of having these properties, X-ray is valuable for creating medical diagnostics images, but it can also cause damages in the biological material such as DNA. As I have mentioned above, inverse square law is one of the most important properties of X-ray that we need to understand and remember. According to inverse square law, the intensity of X-ray beam is inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the source. The formula in the picture is the inverse square law formula, with letter I represent the radiation intensity and letter D represent the distance. Understanding inverse square law play an important role in choosing and adjusting mass and SID while choosing the technical factor for a particular X-ray exam. As SID increases, the X-ray beam intensity is spread over a large area. As a result, this decreases the overall intensity of X-ray beam reaching the IR. Because increasing the SID decreases X-ray beam intensity, the mass must be increased accordingly to maintain the proper exposure to the IR. At a conclusion, any change in SID must require the adjust of mass to compensate. So, SID and mass have direct square law. As the future radiology technologists, I believe we should understand and remember the property of X-ray and inverse square law to produce good X-ray images for diagnosis and to protect our patient and ourselves. Thank you for listening.